Hi guys, what's up? It's Yel, and in this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-register ng inyong SIM. Reminder, ang SIM registration ay until April 26 na lamang. Okay guys, so simulan na natin ang ating step-by-step SIM registration video. Anyways, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box yung mga link na kailangan yung pindutin para ma-direct kayo sa SIM registration form ng mga SIM carriers nyo, okay? So, for this video, I'll be focusing sa aking Globe SIM. Once you click the link na nakalagay sa description box, ma-direct kayo sa browser na to. So, after nyo click yung link and maklik nyo yung I accept, pwede kayong mamili ng 2 languages. It's either English or Taglish. Choose na lang natin yung English. Then, scroll down. Doon nyo ilalagay yung number na i-register nyo. Okay? Then, once nalagay nyo na yun, just click register. Then, make sure na may signal yung phone na gamit nyo para ma-receive nyo yung OTP na isi-send sa number na nire-register nyo. Okay? And antay lang tayo ng konti para mapunta tayo sa next page ng form. Dito, lalagay lang natin yung mga personal information natin. Okay, your first name, middle name, last name, birthday mo. Then, click next. Then, please review your details before proceeding. Click yes. So, kung sa tingin nyo ay malaking tulong ang video na ito, please like and subscribe. Okay. So, eto na yung verify your identity. Mamimili na tayo ng mga valid na ID or IDs na tinatanggap para sa SIM card registration. So, BRI ID, driver's license, GSIS card, IDP ID, LTO PF ID, NBI clearance, other ID, OWA ID, passport, Philippine identification or yung national ID nyo, police clearance, PRC ID, PWD card, senior citizens card, SSS ID, UMID card, voters ID. So, ang gagamitin ko is ang aking UMID card. So, afterwards, kailangan nyo ding ilagay yung ID number nyo para mag-grade out yung next na option. So, ito, required by completing and submitting this SIM registration, I do hereby attest that I am of legal age and that the information is true, accurate, and complete to the best of my knowledge, and I understand that any falsification, omission, or concealment of matter of fact may subject me to administrative, civil, or criminal liability. So, tick lang natin yung box and click submit. Then, eto na. Afterwards, if you're already done submitting your application, makikita mo registration complete. Eto na rin yung reference code. And anyways, marireceive nyo din yung message na to. Hi, we are happy to inform you that you have successfully registered your Globe SIM. Please take note of your reference number generated on the registration site. So that's all for this video. If you have further questions, please don't forget to drop a comment at the comment section and I'll respond to you ASAP. Bye!